pleasant to carry with me, heavy and soothing like a gentle symphony. I rest my head right back up on my seat. It's hard and cold though, the best thing for me. This train is moving, but my heart is stationary. Seasons change, shining, it won't be the same. I'm hoping I won't stay the same. Reason is strange, why we always play these games. I left it with you, a note that was discreet. I made sure